This is a new variety, and we are not joining from vertex itself, not from two different vertices we are joining here, right? Here also we can see that. So here we can count it, right? After that we can come to the generalization, right? So here from two vertices, one slanting line we drawn here, right? Two vertices, right? So if from two vertices we are drawing, so equal number of slanting lines from both the sides in such case, right? And here how many triangles we can get, here we can check it once. So first one unit triangle we are counting, right? One unit triangles how much will get, here 1 2 3 na? So 3 one unit triangle we are getting. And now by joining this particular thing, right, it is one triangle na, here upper part one triangle, lower part one triangle, we'll get two triangles here. And here also same thing. So by joining this particular part, right, upper part one triangle, lower part one triangle na, here upper part lower part one triangle we are getting. So we are getting a two triangle, right? Plus bigger triangle also one triangle na, plus we can get it, right? And total number of triangles how much, here we are getting 8 only, 8 na. So 8 is nothing but what, 2 cube on, right? 2 cube on. So because of what, from two different vertices slanting lines we are drawing, so triangle is getting into equal number of portions in the upper part and lower part in such case on, right? This side got into two equal part na, here, and this side also what, got into two equal two parts on, right? And two parts is the number of parts equal to how much, so each side, right, in two sides each side got equal number of parts, right? Then number of triangles equal to how much, in this figure case number of triangles equal to how much, equal to n cube. From two different vertices we are drawing the slanting line, base got divided into what, in each side base got divided into n portions, right? Clear, so n is what, here number of portions base got divided on two sides, right? Number of portions, right? Portions base are divided, right, in each side, right? In each side case, in such case we'll use this formula. So base got divided into two parts, we'll get two cube triangles. So and same technique we can use here. And here what, two different vertices we are drawing the slanting lines. Here base got divided into how many parts, 1 2 3 na? Here also 1 2 3 on, right? Now n equal to what, here 3 only. And number of triangles we want here, right? Number of triangles, right? So number of triangles equal to how much, here we'll get 3 cube triangles we'll get, which is equal to what, 27 triangles we can get it here in this figure, right? And similarly here also from two vertices we are drawing the slanting line. From each side base got divided into how many parts, we can check it here. So base got divided into how many parts, 4 parts. So n equal to 4 here. And number of triangles equal to how much, in this part number of triangles equal to what, here we'll get 4 cube only, we'll get 64 triangles in total, right? We'll get 64 triangles. So we can try in this way on, right? Clear, so we can try into this particular format. Now see this one, next one, I think so it is clear for you, right? Next one, so finding number of triangles in a square or rectangle or quadrilateral, right? Finding number of squares in a square, rectangle or quadrilateral, right? Finding number of triangles in a square or rectangle or quadrilateral so quadrilateral, right? And see here how many triangles are there in this figure, we can check it once, right? So one rectangle is given, so we are drawing here what, two diagonals. Because of this two diagonal and rectangle divided into how many triangles, first of all one unit triangles how much are there, here 4 one unit triangles are there, 4 one unit triangles are there, 1 2 3 4 na? So number of one unit triangles equal to how much more? 4 we got, plus by joining two units how many triangles we can get? So by using this, because of this a diagonal, we'll get two triangle na? In a rectangle parallelogram, diagonal divide the parallelogram into what ma? Rectangle into two equal triangles only, two congruent triangles na? Upper part, lower part na? Two triangles will get because of one diagonal, and one more diagonal is there, we'll get again two triangles only. And total number of triangles equal to how much ma here? So we are getting here 8 on, right? So we need to count number of blocks. So into how many number of diagonals we drawn here, we can check it, right? What is the generalization technique here, no? So number of blocks, right? Number of one unit blocks, number of one unit triangles per blocks, right? Number of blocks we can consider are one unit triangles equal to how much more? 4. Number of diagonals equal to how much more here? Number of diagonals, right? How many diagonals are there? We can check it once, right? Number of diagonals are 2, and number of triangles equal to how much ma? In this type case, number of triangles, right, equal to what? Number of one unit blocks into number of diagonals we can multiply, we'll get 80 triangles, right? It is a generalization technique. First I am going with this particular figure, again we will come to this particular part, right? Otherwise here see that, right? How many rectangular grids are there individually, we'll check it, right? Maximum size rectangle grid we are looking here. So two rectangular grids are there first of all. So number of blocks in one rectangle we are looking, right? 1 2 3 4 na? So here 4 into 2 na, here number of triangle case, and second figure as case also same thing, 4 into 2. So these are two rectangles we are joining. Because of this joining, this attachment, how many new triangles we can frame it, right? By using these two figures, right? We'll check it. It is one triangle, and up bottom to top also one more triangle we can see here, na? It is one more triangle, right? And total number of new triangles because of this attachment, how much, na? We are getting a 2 on, right? Plus a 2 we got, right? And number of triangles equal to how much, ma? In this figure case, so 8 plus 8 plus 2, so we'll get how much, ma? 16 plus 2, 18 we can get it, right? So number of triangles case, right? In this figure case, in this way we can calculate it easily. And see next question case also, right? Number of triangles in this figure, right? Number of triangles we have to calculate it. And how many rectangles we attached here? So 3 rectangles, we know that. In one rectangle, how many blocks are there, we can check it. How many one unit triangles are there? 4 are there. How many diagonals are there? 2 na? 4 2 8 triangles will get in one rectangle. Totally 3 rectangles attached into 3 na? Or 4 into 2 plus 4 into 2 plus 4 into 2 will write it, right? Because of this attachment, so by using this all three figures, how many new triangles we can get here, we can check it. It is one new triangle by using these two figures, and this is one more new triangle, na? So top to bottom, right? Two triangles top to bottom, and bottom to top also two triangles will get 2 on, right? And number of triangles totally how much, ma? 4 2 8, 8 3 24 here, plus 4 on, right? We'll get 28 triangles will get in total, right? We can calculate number of triangles in this figure in this way, right? And see here also, right? So number of triangles in this rectangle grid we want to calculate it. And here what, ma? How many triangles are there, how many blocks are there, we can check it. Not one unit size, any size, right? So 6 triangles are there here, into how many diagonals are there? 2 diagonals are there. Total number of triangles how much, ma? We'll get what? Totally 12 triangles we can get it, right? So otherwise we can count it normally, right? Number of triangles equal to how much, ma? We can get it as 12, right? And see here also, in this figure case also, right? And total number of blocks equal to how much, ma? Because of diagonals, so lines, so total number of blocks we can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 na? And total number of diagonals how much, ma? 2 diagonals on, right? Diagonal means what, ma? By joining opposite vertices only we'll get diagonal, right? This is one diagonal, that is one diagonal, right? Clear, ma? So 2 diagonals only. The number of triangles how much, ma? Totally here number of triangles equal to how much? 18 to 2 will get 16 triangles in total, right? So in this way we can calculate. And see this figure, right? So number of triangles we need to calculate for this figure case also, right? Number of triangles we want. So first of all I am taking inside internal what, ma? Inside rectangle I am taking. How many blocks are there, ma? 1 2 3 4 5 6 blocks are there. So 6 blocks are there inside. Into how many diagonals are 2 diagonals, no? Plus now outside rectangle also we are looking. So how many what no blocks are there? 6 blocks are there. How many diagonals are there? 2 diagonals are there, no? Here. So this much we can get. So what ma 12 plus 12 we can get it, right? 12 plus 12 will get 24 triangles will get in total, right? 24 triangles we can get in total. So here these are not attaching, embedding na here. We can't get extra triangles here in this figure case, right? Extra triangles we can't get it. So 24 we can get it. Now here also we'll see that now. So they're asking number of triangles in this type of figure case. Already this figure we counted initially. We'll see that again, right? So number of triangles in this figure case. It is not embedded figure case. Slide initially look like that, but it will change differently, right? Finally. So number of triangles we want to calculate it, right? So here what ma? So by joining these things, by joining points on the sides of the triangle, we are getting one more triangle, and total number of triangles here we'll get 5. We know that, right? But in this case, how to get total number of triangles, right? We'll check it, right? So total number of triangles in this figure we need to count it. So we can count normally also. That is one technique, right? Normal counting method is there. We can take it, right? And this is a Pascal triangle type, na? Bridge type of triangle, Pascal triangle type case, right? How to memorize it? Formula also there. How to memorize it? Otherwise we can count it normally. And total number of 1 unit triangles we can count it. How many are there? Ma? Total number of 1 unit triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 triangles are there. Number of 1 unit triangle, right? So number of 1 unit triangle, right? Number of 1 unit. So triangles we can check it, right? So we'll get 9. And number of 2 units a triangle also we can calculate it. We can't get 2 units a triangle. Number of 3 units a triangle we can calculate it, na? Here. So 3 units a triangle also we can check it. How many 3 units a triangle we can get, ma? Here. So this is one 3 unit triangle, na? This one, right? Next one, it is one more 3 unit triangle, and it is one more 3 unit triangle here, na? One more 3 unit triangle. So 3 unit triangles, not 3 unit triangle, this one, 3 by 3 size triangle we can consider like that. What no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unit size is there. We can check it. The triangle equal to how much? No? We'll get 3 on that. Next one. So for what no? Little bit bigger size triangle we can't get it. Next one, bigger triangle on, right? We'll get this triangle on. So this triangle equal to how much? Ma? Here we are getting 1 on. And total number of triangles equal to how much? We are getting 13. So in this way, if we want to count, it will take little bit more time, na? So total number of triangles how much? Ma? Here finally we are getting 13 triangles we are getting. So same thing we can tell little bit differently, right? How we can tell same thing differently? We'll see that, right? So alternately same thing we are explaining. Again after that we can give the formula also. So this is one triangle. This is a given triangle, right? And base got divided into how many parts? We'll check it. 1, 2, 3, na? This mode. So this is not a what na? Previous type, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3 we can't add it here. So now, so one case, I'm taking one. We'll write 1 more, right? Bigger triangle we can consider like that, right? 2 case what ma? We'll write 3 only. How to get 3 value? So we'll add this 2 values, right? 1 plus 2 will add it. We'll get 3. But it is a triangular numbers. If you know that triangular number, it is 3 value, right? 1 plus 2 value indirectly, right? 3 on, right? Next one, 3 case what we can write, ma? We'll add this 2 thing, right? We'll get 6 on. The third triangular number indirectly, right? So we'll add all. What we'll get, ma? 1 plus 3 plus 6 will get 10. Not only 10 triangles. From downward we can cancel this one. We can't count this one. We need to count this one. We need to cancel this one alternately, right? So 3 more triangle will get extra here. Total number of triangles how much, ma? We'll get 13 on, right? So in this way we can count them, right? These are number of triangles in alternate method. Otherwise, so if you want family, this is a family, we can use this family. So it is a zip function, greatest integer function. Integer part only we have to take it. N into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 value we have to take it. N is what my here number of partitions base are divided, right? Any base we can take it, right? And see here, let I am taking n equal to what my here 3 I can take it, right? Number of triangles, how much ma this category case number of triangles I want. So I can use this family here. See this family, right? So n into n is a 3, n plus 2 will get 5 here, 2n plus 1, right? So 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 will get 7, divided by 8 we can get. So we have to take what ma integral part of, right? Zip function, integer part only we have to consider. So 3 5 is 15, 15 7 so much ma 105 will get divided by 8 on, right? So I can divide with 8 here. How many times it will go ma? With 8. 8 1 is 8 here. Now 2 is there, 25 is there, 8 3 is 24. Point something will get, integer part is a 13, right? We'll get 13 triangles we can get in total for this type case, right? So these are 3 methods we can use. Another method of counting is a bit difficulty. We can use either second method or third method. And see next one. So this part is completed now. Next see this one, right? And here also number of triangles I want to calculate it. It is a Pascal triangle type, right? So how many parts are there in the base we can check it. 1 2 3 4 na? So I'll take 1. Bigger triangle is what ma 1, right? And 2. So second triangular number is what ma here 1 plus 2 will add it, will get 3 on, right? We'll add this 2 thing, right? Third triangular number equal to how much ma 3 plus 3 will get 6 on, right? So we'll add this 2 thing. So next one, fourth triangular number is what? So 6 plus 4 will get like a 10 on, right? So we'll add them. What will get my here? 10 plus 10 will get a 20 on, right? So now what we need to do, not only 20 triangles, little bit more will get. What is more? Will cancel bottom most, right? Next one we need to consider. Next one will cancel alternately. One cancel, one tick, one cancel, one tick, like that. Tick numbers we need to add them. We need to add here in final total. What will get ma? This is 6 plus 1 only, and total number of triangles in this figure equal to how much ma? Will get 27. So total number of triangles equal to 27 we can get in that particular part, right? And see one more question and final question from this set number of counting part in the number of triangle case, right? And see here also, right? So here this is a Pascal triangular type, na bridge type is there. So how many parts base got divided we can check it once, right? 1 2 3 4 5 na. We'll see here also. So first triangular number, triangular means what ma? Full triangle 1 on, right? And second triangular number means we'll add this 2. What we'll get? We'll get 3. Third triangular number will add this 2. What will get ma? 6 will get. Fourth triangular number will add this 2. So 10 will get. Fifth triangular number will add this 2. So 15 will get. Add all these things, right? All triangular number. What will get ma? 15 plus 10 25. 25 plus 10 will get 35, right? Plus something will get how much ma? So we'll cancel bottom most, right? Next one we need to count again. Next one we have to cancel. Next one we can add it. Next one we have to cancel it. So how much we need to add here? Plus 10 plus 3 we have to add it, right? How much will get ma? 35 plus 10 45. 45 plus 3 will get 48. And total number of triangles in this figure equal to how much ma? Number of triangles in this figure equal to how much? Will get 48. In this way we can find number of triangles in this type of figures case, right? Clear ma? So now I think so you are clear with this particular thing, how to calculate number of triangles. I hope so it is very useful for you, and thank you.